Very good morning dear 12th standard students. Now we are going to see the subject economics, national income. Today we are going to see some of the concept of national income, that is per capita income, personal income, disposable income, nominal income and real income. To understand you, I just separate the terms in different and give some of the examples you can understand easily. For example, what do you mean by per capita income? Means income of a person. Income of a person in a particular year, in a particular country is called per capita income. See, that is per capita income is equal to national income divided by population. National income means a country's total income divided by the population. If you take down the Luxembourg, a country which is in Europe, got 1,13,196 US dollar per capita income, and India we are just receiving $2,199 only. Why? Because our population is very high level, whereas Luxembourg population is very low level, and their all type of income they received very high, whereas India, like a developing country like India, we are getting very low level of per capita income. So I think you can understand what you mean by per capita income. ஒரு தனி மனிதனுடைய வருமானம் இந்தியாவில் பார்த்தீங்கன்னா $2,199 US per year. Take down personal income. What is the personal income? If you take down total income received by an individual before payment of direct tax. What do you mean by direct tax? Income tax. For example, income tax is a direct tax. For a person getting 40,000 per month income. So for 12 months, 1 year he got 4,80,000. This is the personal income of a particular person. So before paying the tax, there is no tax here. 40,000, 12 months, 4,80,000. There is no that is payment of tax. That is before payment of tax is a personal income. If you take down disposable income, this is very important. Why? Because individual income after payment of income tax. Okay. So if a person get 40,000 per month, he got 15% of income tax. So 40,000, 15%, he is going to pay 72,000 per year in income tax. So he got total income, personal income is 4,80,000. Tax is, income tax is 72,000. So after that he received his disposable income, that is 4,08,000 only. What do you mean by disposable income? The income is ready to spend. This income we couldn't spend fully. Why? Because the tax is 72,000. So the disposable income is the real income that we are going to be that is spend. And nominal income expressed in terms of general price level. ஒரு பெயரளவான income இது சொல்லணும். Nominal income, that is general price level. What is our income? That is, it is always fixed in this current price level. Whereas real income, if you go to real income, that is ஒரு நம்மளுடைய purchasing power. You take down the buying power or purchasing power of your nominal income. This nominal income, what is our purchasing power? How much of amount we are going to spend for our consumption? This is a real income. It is always mentioned in the constant price level. These are the very important terms, students. How to by heart this and study this properly. Thank you.